In today's video, I'll show you how to set your coupons so customers are able to unapply them after a coupon has been clipped. By default, Klip Coupons is set that once a customer clips a coupon, they can't unclip it, like this. This is the same UX that Amazon has, and we believe it's also the best UX. This allows for the customer not to have to worry about why the discount was removed from their cart if they unchecked it by accident. But if you would like to enable this option, I'll show you how. Go ahead and head over to the Klip Coupons app and go to the settings page. Underneath storefront settings, we'll locate allow coupons to be unapplied. As you can see, by default, this option is unchecked. But if you would like to enable it, go ahead and check that and click save. Now, if we go back to our coupons and we refresh the page, we can see that now our coupons are able to be unapplied, unlike our previous coupon that once you click it, you cannot unapply the discount. And that's how you set your coupons to be unapplyable in Klip Coupons app.